guys, it's Eric G from Around the House Show. I wanted to introduce you to one of our new sponsors. Monument Grills was founded by three good friends in Atlanta, Georgia that wanted high-quality, durable grills inspired by iconic monuments. The grills are created for the person who loves to cook and are built to last and to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. What I love is that they are the best quality grills for under $900. So check out the American gas grill experts at monumentgrills.com. I bet you'll love to cook on one like I do. Check out the new standard in outdoor cooking at monumentgrills.com.
Here is what is coming up on Saturday on the next 2 hours of the Around the House show. Van air doors and multi-generational living tips. Make sure you are subscribed to the podcast so you don't miss an episode.
You guys have come up with this beautiful, stunning solution for doors that now people can get rid of those louvered, metal, wood louvered doors that have been ruining their style for decades.
That's right. That was one of the things that we wanted to address in the industry. We felt that there wasn't a good solution for situations where you need ventilation through a door. Often you're looking at traditional slatted louvers or a door with a grill on it. And those were all poorly thought out solutions that were band-aid fixes, so to speak.
Yeah.
And so we set ourselves out to design a more modern ventilated door.
Yeah, and you guys came up with something, and that's where some of the problems. So if you put
If families, middle 30s probably, into tech and so close to the Bay Area, obviously. But we're designing the home so that it is run by circadian rhythm, and it's all tunable light. So meaning all of the shades, all of the interior lighting, I think even the coffee pot is all tuned to sunrise and sunset, and all of the zones through the house ebb and flow as it's supposed to in order for optimal sleep, optimal rest, less stressful environments. So you don't come down in the morning and have this glary light in your eyes. It's the sunlight, but it's just tuned so that your body reacts in a positive way. Some of the new research is saying that those
all that and more on Saturdays Around the House Show with Eric G, heard on any podcast player. And don't forget, you could be listening to the show right now. If you are an Around the House insider, you would get the show 48 hours early. So Thursday, you could be checking out the brand new episode of Around the House. And you get all the back catalog, up to 1,000 episodes. Thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you on Saturday, either way. And don't forget, we have a brand new episode of Around the House Northwest on Saturday. You can stream it at kptv.com and just look for the Around the House banner across the top of the page. Or you can stream it live on the KPTV Fox 12 app on any mobile device. As always, thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you Saturday. Hey guys, it's Eric G, and I have a special offer for you. Do you want to get the podcast a couple days early? How about extended content that isn't in the typical podcast? Maybe you want to check out all the back episodes of the show. And I got a special deal for the first 10 days are free. I want to personally invite you to be an Around the House insider. For about $4 a month, you can get exclusive extended episodes, early access to the weekend show, and exclusive access to me, Eric G, for project questions or comments. Check on the link on your podcast player in the show notes, or head to aroundthehouseonline.com and look for the join here button. Make sure and sign up today. As always, thanks for tuning in to Around the House.